To complete this exercise, you are going to need to download Lookback. In this video, we are going to guide you on how to download, install, and set up Lookback. And all the links that you're going to need for this are going to be listed below this video, as well as a text version of the instructions. Before we get started, please make sure that you are working on a desktop or laptop computer. You are not going to be able to participate in this test from a phone or tablet. Finally, we strongly recommend that you use Google Chrome for this. If you don't have it yet, please take a look at our link, how to download and install Google Chrome. Now we are ready to dive in. First, we will open the link. Remember, you will find that listed below this video. We see the setup and install page, and we are going to go ahead and install the extension. In the Chrome Web Store, we will install the extension Participate by Lookback, and let's do that by clicking on Add to Chrome. We will be prompted to add the extension again, and I'll go ahead on and click on Add Extension. And now we are ready to continue to the next video.